for a higher GC News. Mima Obibia Aquaba. Latest hot. And kwa Aremeyaw bro. Now sana something in Abebaro. So we now subscribe ya. Bomodi say over subscribe. Now while I give video don't give us a thumbs up. Not fee. Share now wo fufrosu. Now we be here now and someone ekoso ewo Ghana me mohano. Afi yem share eye and someone abeto yeponoso. Yinti eye samkomu eye sansemo ya babeto ya moma yinti dia ekoso. Yinti nzemo.
Why America is in Venezuela? Ghana position. Minnesota can ye statement. Briefly, Ebisi Omusro say my for yanon kotum. Ebisi, this is the position that we have to take as a sovereign country. What's your view on that?
Well, I belong to diplomacy.
Okay.
And I'm very much knowledgeable in diplomacy. I strongly say Ghana rushed too much.
We rushed. The statement was rushed.
We rushed.
There are repercussions be?
Yet to be known.
But we rushed.
We rushed.
Why?
Look, we have been pro-democracy, pro-independent. Our stand has not changed. Everybody knows. Pro-independence, pro-democracy, against invasion. And then also Ghana is signatory to the UN Article 40, 940 protocols, etc. Ghana has defended and supported a lot of countries in their stand against imperialism and all those kind of things. That is true. But you look at the dynamics of events and how the other countries are responding. America, or say, why a unilateral decision? In Obama, why a wild? Or call Iraq, or catch Europeans, even the British, or catch the Italians, or catch the Spaniards, or catch the Germans, or say either you are with us or you are not part of us.
Okay.
And they were able to whip up the NATO to follow them, even against their wish.
Yes.
The story was not different from when they were going to Afghanistan. They forced them to move with them, and they did. Was the story different from America? I'm talking about Ghana stand.
Okay.
When America, together with the NATO, together with your friend is saying, Europe, they went to Gaddafi. They went to Libya to take down Gaddafi, subsequently killing him. The Battle of the Seers. Ghana near stand with him. Only African colony, only African country. On that time, only provided today AU chair, AU building in a Gaddafi sponsor more. Gaddafi was a pivotal role of the new AU, transforming from OAU to AU with President Akufo, Thabo Mbeki, your friend say Obasanjo, and all that. Festus Mogae and all that. Gaddafi was the one who put in money for that operation.
Okay.
When Gaddafi was on the edge being killed, what was the stand of
Ghana?
What did we say?
Rushed.
What did we say? The only country, the only person that went there was Joko Zuma of South Africa. And whilst even he was there, he needed support from the African Union. Said, gather up, let us all come and support our brother. They waited until the United States and other countries warned Joko Zuma, said, well, free Krumha, they can protect his interest in free airspace of Libya. Zuma flight, SAT and normal attack, Echo Bombo, Libya, Tripoli airport, except flights almost about 87 aircraft at the same time.
Wow.
What did Ghana say at that time? What was the protest? What do I Africa? Media say, America, Ghana, you can't stand anywhere in America.
We can't cry.
You cannot stand anywhere in America. Upe na watch any sir. And co create problem. Listen. Papa I in a list. Odo beka say we try 5 years visa. We try 5 years visa. Obi abeko we are president kwa na ko ba sa kwa kudi live so. Ena mo informer yen no anim ekwan ya ba ya me pacho wo fine no fine. Ena nkofo ye the Esaberi Institute because I will not mention them, but then we made a letter of some statements via a officials be my and American for trigger that anger and no mutuemu. Or no, I coca copacho and answer chop a biacoso and no mabeka. Now on one yasem, or no quachi Venezuela, United Kingdom, on kasa on condemn ye. France on condemn ye. Russia cry were cautious.
Yeah.
China were Security Council members superpower.
On kasa ye. Now Ghana keteketi.
Yet now we are just about a month ago. Wasako far countries Roma beka woman no more visa restrictions, you know. So wasabe heightened visa restrictions to a visa ban. Country been saying Sierra Leone. Papa Sierra Leone, why America dying? Only any problem. And your rebel, Omni Bianco, the Nabeka home. Ususu Chrono. I listen. The bigger hub of nationals were outside, you know, predominantly American no more, followed by the UK, followed by Canada, and then Germany and other parts of the world.
Right.
Now, Kwaku I want to busuya for visit to Omunyamo. I want to busuya for call. I want no me Papa. Oh, Pepana watch no. President Trump on Kai. The State Department, you know, they will even ignore. But if they are to stick to the actual church, you know, and it was this and it was that, you know, Busan say Holland Kadeng. Busan say Japan Wakadeng. Busan say South Africa Wakadeng. You can yes condemn the where the diplomatic will let peace prevail. Maybe you condemn the actions of United States. And there a diplomatic language you can't papa obia can be. But if you read through, so if that was the statement Ghana issued out there, maybe I say, is that the only country in this in the African continent? Yeah, what that kind of a stand? The government of Ghana issued that. Of course, it was uttered or directed by the president, uttered by maybe foreign ministry.
Yes.
Then I'll say the foreign ministry, you know, the sentences diplomatically, the statement diplomatically to me was too long.
Okay.
It matters like this. So United States has staple gas. What do you mean? 550 aircraft at their good camp. We're taking the sea. We're coding off. 48 hours before this operation, now America captured the airspace.
Venezuela,
not the ground, the airspace.
Airspace, you know.
And we're warning every flight out from the territorial zone of that time.
And to plane to mean to
plane to a mark that area. Aircraft, no passenger, no commercial jet, no private jet. You don't go in there. They're coding off the air first. For fear, say, Russia, China, no be back to their aid. And nobody can hear. We are no coding of the sea. And they know my coding crab 3 months. Almost cow to see no so that.
Yeah.
Obama what you say? Now we are no. And sana obey there, obekogramina me one omo ground be 3 months.
That's a special operation on my yacht.
Papa, omo kochi Noriga operation just course. Nefe. From military point of view, no, operation ya na ya kono.
Yeah.
Sir, you look at the intelligence that goes into it, and then you look at the battle itself. Now, on the 150 aircraft, Timaba, where the car ashate, dom, you know, radar control, no, America will take you over. What do I say?
I see.
And we are taking radar space now. Like I said, Omokrano radar control unit ne Caracas airport no. Won't mean issue instructions on any aircraft say Omra.
Okay.
Any aircraft be an American for at that time because a pure. Why ready for war? Why ready for war? No, I granted area. I think no call what is called firefight into the presidency. That time no. The satellite image of Maduro, baby or da baby or number. They were looking up, so they go into a battlefield and one US army. Neho anti. Ebinom de call Obama.
That's what my prepared.
Papa they are some now because one of the Apache gunfire and basic form, gunships in basic form no. When in precision, when in baby oko, when in baby aquanite, when in baby and security, ne guides war. Cuba for a guide no any other winning baby war.
Okay.
And Tom de Kaum dom disable crowded that. And son or my fire. Ne fire and soon will be on the atrocity.
Okay.
Obianti me kind eme busa American force individuals, ordinary citizens, Sena American Fukumu.
Yokuomo.
On say once my mind.
This operation ya.
Obianka.
Obia mechanical movie.
Ombetima quiet had no power fire erupt airspace. Any the buildings, any area now koche no. And to be catch them and say, citizen biangu. but new of course could protect or say it will be safe, it will be smart, it will be quick. Odika won in November and one in December. So Obama Christmas present.
Okay.
The very sharp. Said Okudzeto Nigeria. Tinibuno. Obama Christmas present. Papa Shakwa Omufaso. Eko yi no. Edino. Omi no man finance flight in manko. Kipun be 1 hour. Okru ni mu. Papa 1 hour ni eden. Chire baby a ade no wo.
Ade be.
Go do no wa hen. Safe no wa hen. Ede no aye probity and accountability wana wo ye no krom ho.
Aye.
Nyese wa baba wie no. Wo se wa ha ni akohwe wa ha ansa na.
Ya de wako.
Wo se we wa ha. What you say? Oche no. One ne ire nkwa no hia no. But Maduro's government so accuse Maduro say ono the air trafficking. Can you not accuse his interior minister?
Honestly, a part of government.
Can you not interior part? Can you accuse his defense minister? Can you leave his defense minister out?
Not at all.
When the guy the ocean, when the guy the interior, say yanchi womu. Is that not the police? Is that not the minister of interior? So far the list, yanchi ubia in the Maduro's government, accused by America. Initially, you accuse the government, headed by the president. What up is the wife a member of the government? Answer is no, but yachi obano. And what about the ministers and the government yanchubia? And the Ajuma di Maduro. Na Ajuma ko di Maduro. Ghana wa woto nchen. Unua oho. Oba oho, ye nyina yekọ, echina ye mam oho, unua beko. Papa, America na mu no, o dai no. O twene no. O ko jutun echire no. Wan ko pewe alpewe. Na no ani say Obama the Amoye as international community and they all allow we are allowed.
Yes.
Deliver speech, deliver statement. Opa say tonka. Na Zimbabwe in Kasai, Ethiopia in Kasai, African Union na mukrent me issue.
Na Ghana Kasai.
African Union. Now they kwasha ECOWAS echi. Na ECOWAS and condemn with that speech. Also so your funding member and to bet me ECOWAS akasa. Say and don't speak as Ghana, speak as ECOWAS.
Okay.
Speak as African Union. Speak as just an international community which you are part.
Okay.
But descriptively, say the speech, you know. Me pamcho the foreign ministry. Me pamcho Ghana government. America on your government ye dini diagro.
Okay.
Much as sebi ye bet makasa ye sovereignty nation with sovereignty rights, etc. Ebi abeka si ye nsuro bia. Be papa Bokas onsuru bia obwa.
Yesro.
America usuru.
Ministry.
Wala pass kwa one mouse kwa mawa onye.
Onye.
And to decide this Ghana kwa da pass kwa no $500 million compact you know the ma no. Oba be tutu no kwa. America obetima abeje kwa no. Nti e ba na se ye keka bibia me pacho Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Mun tone down. It is good to condemn on the basis of the international language.
Okay.
Community of the world we are part. Diplomatic language must be measured to some extent, not to harm and to hurt. Say no many abromokun. But the moment Ankofo no betinase no, the moment Obama Ankofo no betinase say, omo be analyze speeches, any events, any countries are atutu bia manu o. Am I come yo?
Ombe peke Ghana.
Na safe no mbe. Say Germany intimi condemn here.
Now
Holland condemn here. Belgium on condemn here. They are being cautious because say America call Afghanistan. A certain countries, Germany, or decided say it's unjustified wrong call. America say, okay, won't call the ultimate chance. Either you are with us or you are not part of us. Meaning say China Sembeto. Into Umka say Ebeko humanitarian. Holland or call humanitarian. Spain or call humanitarian. Wako, but or humanitarian on tutu
only
or chenro or chenuane. Name countries decided say there voluntary about tutu, Italy or tutu, Spain or tutu, France the one farmer and Roberto, British one farmer no better to support America because do nom China or one tutu, Russia no, because near Afghanistan you beef, the beef from Western world the man in Afghanistan, and you beef for 10 who free Russia Federation, and Russia and I say, okay, or no, fine. or international community, but no, obema ne border.
The old can in America for which mafia.
Obetima mafia big time if they interpret, analyze, and do due diligence of our speech. And if indeed that speech was uttered, written,
it was
edited, and it's official speech that some of us read, I would say, sir, it was overpumped.
Okay.
And then the speech overheated the argument of Ghana vis-a-vis America. We don't do that. We don't do that. People must measure the diplomatic language that we issue when America. Sadi o catch a British on fahun. Utuma Germany on fahun. Utuma Holland on fahun. Utuma China is just nothing. But when you write such a thing and you really power such language to America, telling them off. Because Oma Dikami a one in B and chair, say American senator, committee chairman responsible for a State Department, Eka chair, foreign minister say, Onko can chair in the government, say Onko chia American company sky on Ghana do muka. More Mahamadu Bawumia say, and no time I list in the Bible, more mature what to do. And no, I dear Chian normally chose to say, Ometre 5 years visa, Obaka story.
Yes.
And a Yamira part of America for the pair, because West Africa High Command, any Accra embassy in Issiham, cantonments, and Higher Command, and here Bibia. Now, Omene Ediacha, because the whole West Africa, 15 countries, and all the sessions, the embassies in I had no higher command.
Okay.
And President Kufuor played a very key role, say, assassin. That's all the Chewomo, and I say, or the Tróuble Ukraina, Obin Timinche. But they have and they sit on the bigger acreage of the embassy. In Hanu, place. Our baby, so President Kwaba, Utimura baby, Utimsha baby, that Timsha baby, Pico. In Hanu, here, Monty, your country be on payasem. Entina bibia anu ahwa ne prisoner kra na anu odika anu abeka ya no ma niam bi wo ha entimi ma out enyam bi wo entimi nka ye no bi undergrounds bi but for post independent bepem ne no ye developing partner and they sponsor our military budget
Jomo ya de nyama enka
condemn them but look at the event
and the tone
okay now woman military base wa ha uni kroma ni am military base
yes
Winnie Kroma.
Yeah,
do you think, say, your man military base, no? Obi wa other African country, or no woman ya fire, or many Giana. Countries, no ya found you so many G say, you do military base. But if not anything at all, Obama, you also know, say, they trust and believe this country. And if not anything, they trust our security. I must just tell you, to some extent. So, be German in national airline, more or less, the biggest air carrier, national, the biggest air carriers. Delta, any United country, non-stop because they must trust you. So Obabisi Washington from African country, Obabisi New York from African country, they must trust you.
Okay.
And remember that trust now. Yemma that trust in Goho. Oye na dia ukabaka sakura na mon twentwen so. Obama what you say? Matamumremu.
Ade see Ghana first country.
Your friend KLM first in the air, the first flight in the air to Europe from Ghana. We are always first in the air.
Well,
international cases is here. Pacho, remember reference of Russia, Ukraine. Your president, your former president,
right?
And now for the last speech, 2024, the UNGA, United Nations General Assembly.
Yes.
Okay, speech be over. Eko can say. Any Russia bomb that hits on target on Ukrainian land affects the pocket of ordinary Ghanaian. But this is war. Ukrainians are also hitting on target on Russian bomb, Russian soil. Did he say, any Ukrainian bomb that hits on target in Russia, it enriches Ghana pocket? No. So these are things. Adiachiana Sergey Lavrov, the world's most longest serving friend, a foreign minister, accuse you Ghana because Ghana also on your fine. Also don't harshly condemn Russia.
One side.
Emra Yabe head the Security Council as chair country of the Security Council, UN Security 2022. Ghana, Israel-Palestine war. And yet the whole world will be condemn, will be against it. Ghana, people, help Yadi Yasarafa to cry money seat, or African Union seat, and to condemn, and you're bad. Even look at that one, Ghana Koka and say, Israel, Ghana supposed two-state affair. Palestine as a state Israel because near a security council your voice. China Israeli ambassador, not even the Prime Minister Bibi Netanyahu. Nan in Sekuran Ekon and Akufo Addo Nani. Said them brana them right. Ghana or a country bear or no betima back saying yes two-state affair.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, you echo these sentiments as a country Ghana with a position of international policy from 1967. Godamaya time. And you actually say, yeah, you supported the two-state affair. For 2022.
And so you're cooking the same thing.
You're cooking the same thing, no? Or not Bibi Netanyahu Ukrankas, ambassador to Ghana over her. You can't be an SNK spelling.
By
no crankers, because Israel, Akwaji na Greek Niama. Also, I didn't support.
Oh, Jibosian,
Niama underground. Grant ni age OJJ. Now America now no ako chubia me condemn entirely so one but papa obe measure a tone of condemning United States and now what taking what is called unilateral action.
Okay.
You and I know say the UN setup and the history of the UN.
Yeah.
They're superpowers of the world. There's no doubt about that. China is a superpower, Russia is a superpower, France is a superpower, United States of America is a superpower. And we have the 5 permanent UN Security Council members.
Right.
But as time goes on, say India, when they are warm, they are pushing, say they have to be part. But if you look at what makes them superpowers, superpowers in a way, say they had colonies, a lot of colonies under them. French, they never colonized anywhere in Europe. They were not in Europe. They colonized a lot of countries in Africa, especially West Africa, Central Africa. Omo called the Caribbean, Martinique areas, Français. Omo called the South Pacific, New Caledonia, Tahiti, Kiribati, those sides. The South Pacific. So they were able to get a lot of colonies around them. That made them more or less a superpower to some extent because we colonized a lot of countries. Now, United Kingdom, the UKs or the British, they also did the same thing. They colonized about 35-40% of the world countries, including the United States itself, indirectly. But what they say?
Yes.
Now, America, Africa, didn't colonize any country. Liberia, America not colonizing. It was America, your friend is a NGO organization being a colonizer in a country, adopted into the whole African continent. America
Okay.
America one colonize a country be Asia to some extent. Olivu and I say or Tróuble be part, but or won't say Japan, China, or any of those countries in the America colony. And it's a United States stance. Now the congregation of the colonized nations only be Asia to some extent.
Yeah.
Now, America will call the South Pacific, that is Australia, New Zealand, sandwich about 13 or 14, Tahiti, Kiribati, and then those Solomon Islands, Papua New Guinea, Vanuatu, and those countries, Nauru, Nui Island. America, Solomon Island, quite India. Even with that one, just somehow disputed. Now, no America, no, the Caribbean cities or the Caribbean states, the stretch, they took over more or less like leaders, or they took over like colonial masters in disguise. However, and you islands, no. The islands belongs to the Dutch. What they say?
Yes.
Dutch, the Hollands, and the France, and the British. And Trisha, Texas, and Caicos, Barbados, Bahamas, Trinidad and Tobago, all those ones. British for there. And then the Dutch, Curacao, Suriname, and a lot of them, and so the Dutch there. and a French funds for Guadeloupe, Martinique, Française, Martinique, what and what. Nina also Saint Martin.
Yeah.
Nina also here French
for there.
Why is American in there? They didn't have any.
Yeah.
America was the edge. Panama and Puerto Rico to some extent. Only islands. But more or less, British on show the presence. I get it me.
Yes.
And French in disguise. Or no, the Caribbean states in as Paris metropole. Guadeloupe, for instance, Martinique, Française, for instance, or don't become Paris budget. And those countries in the Caribbean are French islands. Omunina is seen as Paris a metropole.
Okay.
And they add them to the budget of Paris. But in disguise, it's a country with flag, in this country with independence. It's a country with their presidential terms. France is still in control. The same thing applies to the South Pacific, Kiribati, Tahiti, New Caledonia, still San Romeo.
Right.
Now here is the catch. America took interest of a country like Haiti. Of our Haiti 1915. Of our Haiti 1934. Clinton be invaded Haiti 1994.
Okay.
I get me. America, Panama, America, Nicaragua, and those countries. And indeed, Venezuela, these are Spaniora islands. They are Spanish.
Okay.
Spanish forces were islands.
Okay.
But where's the Spanish? Spanish for no Latin American world and also Fabi. But Spain is not a superpower.
Okay.
Why is it not a superpower? They were very calm. They didn't push for the agenda either than that. Also, a lot of countries within the Latin American context, Mexico, Argentina, Peru, El Salvador, San Salvador, all those are Latin, South and South American.
But still, Omani superpower.
Omani superpower. What else?
Yes.
And the Portuguese went into the same South America with Brazil as the only place Omsu concentrate TNT. Obia Chichi Obire.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Now, issue of President Ibu Nkrumah. We accuse you of oil drugs. We accuse you of money laundering. We accuse you of doing X, Y, Z. It's always initiated, not by the UK. Interestingly.
Yes.
It's always not initiated by the Dutch, who have more islands. Neither has it been initiated by the French, also islands.
And I'm more influence.
Almost more influence because they are their colonies.
The
and
colonies.
Still, Suriname and Curacao and all those. Holland about 5 islands. But quietly, say Holland accuse you. Surinamis, but the world knows that Suriname is another hub. The world knows that Curacao is another hub. Guadeloupe for the French and co. Everybody knows that Senyumano Ebi Koso. But I'm yet to see a British government also Oko Jamaica.
Yeah.
You know me now will be in Jamaica. The first thing that comes to mind, excuse me, is weed. But the Ben UK, Ako Jose or Kwaku any Jamaican prime minister or president because they accuse them say omo produce mass production export of weed.
Okay.
Into why the US particular interest, and then particular interest especially the country Venezuela. Venezuela indeed say Kenya English colonized country, neither a French colonized country, neither an American native colonized country. And can say a Spanish for the India.
Okay.
Into American interest. Of course, business like Kokoso. America won interest. Venezuela, oil is issue.
Okay.
That is whole business about.
Oil.
Because yes, country America will beef. The Caribbean islands and supposed to be what undoubtedly Cuba. As in America, almost Fidel Castro.
One question.
Almost indicted Fidel Castro for almost 20-something years. Yet, no UN General Assembly with military uniform P. chamber anymore. American function. Raul, we any no buy American function. But no more beef, no more to come no. They've accused them of all these things. They've accused Cuba, say, for a terrorist nation. They've accused Cuba, say, or supported terrorism, or accused Cuba up to a whole lot of things. Yet, America will call Cuba and Kojo.
Okay.
But Panama, Okochi Noriga. Since 1989, 90, I'm doing two. So for 36 good years, until just now. Now, US another president, Biaba, or say, only there, or pardon no. Yanchino Kwampaso, the charges in Yanukre. But yet, the same president, Ebai, EBD 4 years, koi. Nan Noriga them. That time, one who say, Nanya Kwampaso. I didn't went down at that time until now, no be pardon Namanako. A day before, so obey Owakoche, another Venezuela person. Now, Honduras.
Yes.
What I say? Juan Orlando Hernandez. Juan Orlando Hernandez was accused, indicted by United States in the same fashion. Only do try to term we are there we in the presidency. No, Adana na Omiyade 2022. I stand to be corrected, but that's the date I think. And Omokokofa Juan Hernandez. Meanwhile, no match in the brother know them. Accuse him of the same thing. Now, a person had jailed about 45 years. Another US president comes. Now says that no, my pardon. But these were crimes American justified through their intelligence and everything. Said their Maduro, the same thing.
They will justify it.
They justified, proven. Until then, Obia ma justified in a tomb from 2022.
Yes.
Ne brother them, no a president. Na machino. Now another president comes. Now Onono said no, my pardon. Okay, you must say interesting question. No pardon, no. Hernandez or him. Or didn't I didn't see play more than a koi pa yana Honduras. And I said on the street of New York.
Right.
Now so obi a indict you. Prison sentence for America. Now you're United States prisoner no. When you're United States nationality or citizen.
Yeah.
See you are not allowed to stay in the country subject to deportation.
Okay.
Or otherwise to any friendly country or person who accept you because of the political background. As we speak, Hernandez, US, prompting on attorney general, prompting on state prosecutor, Kruma said, no, crime na mamo befa no. It was state records also.
Okay.
In Tisana Tiadia, Yasakrano, you push the agenda of Interpol, Monfanim. Has America spoken about it? No. Would they release him or not? What you will be, or a prisoner, what you will be, or a drug operator, and all kind of money laundering, and was sentenced in 45.
Yes.
Will be tried 2 to 3 years. Obiaba, see in Jano. Okay, you know. We na de no kwahi. Statutory. Any immigration status. American kind. So you see, say, American does not say or you're answerable to anybody.
Is this democracy? Is this the sovereignty? I can't want to say because you, from what you are narrating, you clearly cannot understand. A pattern or more.
It's a American chooses no pick it. They're benefiting no yet. That is the foreign policy. Of course, a big way, a big superpower. Obetina says they are in is Kasim or say or yeah international policing. But always they go what is called unilateral. They take unilateral decisions. And then when they are ready, even the president of the United States of America, Nukraka say, on Congress, that makes the laws and that approves sanctioning of all these wars and as an invasion of any, or say, so a country room, the news will be leaked.
Okay.
Into our country room. But the US executive presidential order is where the case is. It's so powerful, said the president decided, so unknown order, not the Congress, unknown order, not the Senate. Now over that pen said, US military, now army is so interested. Or no your commander-in-chief or that said, Monkonkofa Ghana country na Gyamfi. It is the order of the United States.
Wow.
Now you come to ask, where's the UN Convention on the UN status or the UN laws or the UN Commission agreements in Yemen, the 940. The 940 strictly against invasion. without proper or in any form of invasion.
Yes. Use of force.
Use of force. But now look at it from the angle, say, Guterres, UN Secretary General, because what are yet seen to be the leader of the world or president of the world. And that is what a member country that's supposed to subscribe under you is doing. America or Iraq. Unilateral decision. I say against all international laws to serve the interests of the United States and serve the interests of the world. Of the world. Who authorizes and who validates the interests of the world? Say back Caribbean region now, also for American citizens, engine warriors to protect them. Into as American citizens who are do say in the Caribbean islands. Now, so citizens are protect them. They say, no, could you citizens free holiday makers. And I'm a boy. Okay. And the laws changes from one country to another. About Saddam Hussein, the word hard pressed, say our weapons of mass destruction. Destruction. Emma, the disgrace and the rise and fall of your friend is the UK president, prime minister.
Yes.
Okay. Our Okudzeto, our co-supported the agenda of George Bush or the Kutu Saddam. Obama followed also another agenda of Gaddafi in 2013. Okay, and also here they Okoyi Mama Al Gaddafi. Efriho, with Hillary Clinton being the Secretary of State. She also Obama and also a kind of fast so accused Libya and a kind of fast accused Gaddafi. And in Myanmar, America decided to do for them. At the end of the day, some of us who do know that country, they had the best country, the best economy, the best system of governance at the time than anywhere in Africa. Libya didn't have one refugee in anywhere in Europe. Libya had every money. They didn't have a shortage of even apartment, a room, or whatever. As a time now, the population here 4 million, no see dying 10 million.
A dying
locked up.
Such a country, no say it's not well governed.
That crowd say no sakubu egu. Waiting for a student to take classroom or be school. The car and key in insurance and then the dying are ready. On top of it in Nisika or the Bewari are ready. To the extent say a Drew baby now boy Libya member to say young man to some our son our young warrior. Or do Poland, and your friend is saying, Czech Republic, mother country say, Uncle Suakrakeke said, yes, Sebi, no Basida, no Bawarnira and Titi Oban, Etriaka Momokoda Hotel or Poland. That's what Gaddafi did for them.
Right.
Or Pampao, Accra 9 years was allowed to drive a car, provided so were good side. I will be a new car insurance, will be a new fuel car subsidized. Or money, will be a man or about 6,000, will be a Libyan nationality, or man $6,000 a month.
Wow.
Yet, Nasi, as such a president. But where I say, it is not the longevity of the person serving power in his country, but the usage and abuse of the power. Did Gaddafi or abuse power or not? One would say yes, but he didn't abuse any power. Why? Because say, a dear ma a crew, Ufri Mohawi ba, Bola Paz is saying, Prajana is a bolan, Kofa, Kofufia, the abyss main road, Dunsa and some mountain, and I joke 4 a.m. Obakubu and Kramer work with no street and so on. Oko, your friend is saying, Kwashima Junction,
yes,
Bola Niguhosa, Oko, Odokwa, Bola Niguhosa. Did this happen? Is that what we call a democracy? No. I prefer say Odbin Dimeso, na me wo even any je, me frame who say nipa, me what dan papa, me won't sue, me what electricity, me what dan papa dem. Rather than say me fro be say yes, Dimeso or a Democrat, but me be behind you.
Hey, Basa, disorganized country.
There is it. And then if you look at the practices of the Western Hemisphere, name one, taking America out, but when you come to Europe, do they have that artist Oko for terms 2 terms krana say bibia memebi.
No.
Do we have that in Europe? Merkel of Germany, or your Bundeskanzler, or how many years? 20 years. Meanwhile, Germany a pillar of democracy in Europe. And what is the difference between Onwa Odi 20 and Odi say?
And yes, say a longevity, human rights abuse. And Angela Merkel, it did 20 years.
20 years.
Oh, Germany, you
and she's not, yes. And he's not the only person. She's not the only person. She wasn't the only person. Oba Italy. How many prime ministers of Italy? Omako back to back.
Berlusconi crowd.
Berlusconi, serve you.
Yes.
Say you Berlusconi, how many times? Obedi no ako. Italian kofa Romano Prodi, one of the best UN accountant there. Then Oba Omzo, sorry, go away. Yampano Omsa kofa Berlusconi, and repeatedly in around most of the European countries because the European and Middle Europe, especially prime ministers, countries like Holland, countries like Belgium. When you come to Middle Europe, Switzerland, Austria, nobody even knows the prime minister's name. But they are there serving over 3, 4, 5 terms. Because Juma country no one BBA function. And it's not about any abuse, but it's just on making sure.
Okay.
A BSc, Malaysia, Mahathir, and then your friend is saying, look when you did 27 years, the Bordeaux country, which is not bad.
Africa, Yebia.
Argentina, Ghana, Argentina, Caribbean lands, Argentina, Venezuela, Argentina, Latin America, Central America, and the Bibiba. See a country, America by accusing. So honey the corridors. Because on there the next border, bigger border to the United States. Woman can ensue. You get it?
Yes.
So Venezuela baby war. Ne baby a United States war. So either so a best swimmer, and now obey submarine, and now a flying boat, and a debacle. But what about Mexico now on any war border? When in the history in America, I could check Mexican president.
Refugees no muchesi omo.
Muchesi refugees. But all the drug cartels are at the focus and the vocal point of Americans' invasion in some of this country.
Air drugs.
And Mexico suswe. Mexico di mkwachi omuli de biada. Peru mkwachi obia ohoda. Colombiana which are American for creating eco fighting Colombia. SAP ko. Yanche Colombia leader. What about El Salvador? Argentina munyina no awo niema omo ye. But yanche obia. But the issue with Venezuela, the issue with Hugo Chavez and San Robeu, throughout the 13 years in Nina was this. But the catch here is that as we speak, the world, the topmost better crude oil was the one that was found in Libya before Gaddafi between.
Yeah.
And then the best quality also was Libya and Venezuela.
See oil na
papa. My let us not also forget, say, in the history of the United States, from Woodrow Wilson time by permanent, from 1915 way back by permanent, the American president or a businessman, what come out not from the political chamber, but from the business chamber.
Community, yeah.
Business community is this man.
Now business in Pony and also follow the same pattern.
But when I'm just on no crying there, one who tell them, only doing say business in the womb.
Okay. Only the paper you no cry more.
There be business. No, make sure said the other one Clinton they were administrative.
Yeah.
A politician.
But where the business wo?
Business na one some near can. What's it them business one some near can. Jimmy Carter no, they were political, administrative, military, former military persons, no munya businessman.
We entrepreneur.
But the first American fully fledged businessman, ya Kennedy anyway.
Okay.
And Tróuble busa ho say, obi musa say Adenti near Kochi Maduro, near Dinaba, America, and China, and Kansan near Dinoco, Alinian Franco, Capitol Hill, Washington, D.C. Why New York? Why Brooklyn? Why New York? A honey indicting a honor a unibuy because you New York, Papa, we New York, and watch it. And in Brooklyn, a honor Juman war. And now Obana Nereno. They no in your memana ni achi woman. New York no muda.
Okay.
Majority are then in America, the center, California and New York, I wanna me fancy drug business, I want business in all.
Okay.
And I didn't know or didn't to New York. And
that's the reason.
Yes.
Okay.
But in the justifications after America, they be can say they are protecting the interests of America, interests of the world, and indeed they are claiming or they say a lot of new drugs, which is a chemical drug, are you for a Maduro mo I invented or makriti by America. Yes, one would understand say the drugs of the world, America within that region, Latin America, Central America, the Caribbean belt, you do drugs, they don't send it to Jamaica. They don't send it. America need the biggest receiving end.
They are protecting that.
That one would understand because if you happen to be in Washington, if you happen to be in California, in New York, now say they be Americans now destroyed that. On that note, Tunbaka said, but the point is that how well have they tried to solve it? And how, say, Omye choose and pick.
Okay.
And they say, if the whole Caribbean, and they produce that kind of particular drugs, and your friend said the opium and all those kinds there.
Why not more?
Then the whole Caribbean should be protected by the United States of America.
Okay.
Not only exclusively talking about Venezuela. Because you would also accuse Obisu Betraso accused Suriname. Because European Union at a point accused Suriname, accused Curaçao, and accused the Dutch government said on the national and citizens no and Niama Suriname for the by Europe.
Okay.
But rather or lessen almost softer prison sentence.
Okay.
To Dutch citizens are only dealing drugs in Suriname.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.